everyone here. So my name is Chitolida.
My name is Kim Heng. And my name is Kanana.
So move on to my topic with me. Previous temple have 4 main points, and the first point is location of previous temple in northern Cambodia, Israel and Commune. Chamsan district and Previous province has a Sion temple standing on the top of Dorek mountain, reaching a height 625 meters and border Thailand. And the second point temple is this temple was built during Khmer Empire from 9 to 12th century by Khmer King Surya Varman I and subsequently
The third is become a World Heritage Site. Previous temple is known for its stunning and intricate carving depicting Hindu. The previous temple complex was closed in the 14th century and discovered by a Frenchman in the early 20th century. In 2008, previous temple become a crossroad between Cambodia and Thailand. In 2013, United Nations
Point is Thailand destroyed the temple in 24 July 2025. The last few months, in 24 July 2025, Thailand destroyed a World Heritage Site of Previous Temple. That is the show of the nation. And last but not least, I and another Cambodian will remember on 24 July, never be forgotten. And I pray for Cambodia to get peace back soon. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Yeah, thank you.